All right, so now it's time to actually clean this dashboard because right now it has become kind of messy. We have all these tabs and all, so we don't really need them. So what I will do, I will just delete them one by one. So let's quickly just delete them. Delete, delete. Okay, so now all of them are deleted. I will name this. So to name it, what you can do, you can double click on it, and I'm going to name it at a glance view. I'm gonna just name it at a glance, the first tab, and then I'm gonna remove this measures. You can see there is a caution icon here, so which means that there is an error. I don't really need it. I will delete it from the data model, and the revenue as well. The revenue sum x function, which is not working, I will delete it. So you can see now my dashboard looks pretty clean, and then in the next video we will actually learn how we can create the map visuals. See you in the next lecture.